All right, I took the water pump off, and I figured I better set my top dead center. I guess it was kind of lucky I had to take that water pump off because this wheel is so big it won't fit. Because I had to buy the big wheel, whatever. So I put my digital micrometer on there and found top dead center. The only issue I have is with my pointer here, mounts behind the copper, or behind this wheel. I can't put it on 0 because the hole doesn't have enough adjustment in it, so I'm gonna have to grind this out. I enlarged the holes on here. I can't really go much more on this bottom hole. I'm just gonna, break that open. So I'm just gonna leave it right here for now. I just have to get a different pointer. I kind of like the look of this, very basic. But anyway, when I put it on there, I can hold it on there. I'm about, that's as far as I can slide it up, right there. So I'm about 1 degree off. Oh, and I'm going to put some thread sealant, especially on this one, because that one just goes right into the opening for the fuel pump. So definitely want some sealant on that one. I sealed all the other bolts. I know these are, I think these are blind holes, I believe, but I'm just going to seal them anyway, just in case. All right, here's the pointer on there. Depending on where you look at it, it's just not, I guess down here it's perfect, but anyway, it's good enough for now. So I did notice another snag when I was working on this. The bolts I have for my, I guess the pulley, these things are super long, and the other harmonic balancer was fine, but only one of these holes in the back is clearance to where the weight is. Here's the weight, screws in here and screws in here. So I don't know if you can see it right there. You can see the weight covers the 2 of the holes that I need. I need to use this hole, and then this one. So I need 3. The pulley I have, you can just barely see it there, C7A. This is 67 pulley, 3-hole. I don't want to change pulleys because of this back spacing. It's going to mess everything all up, and that's a nightmare. So anyway, I can only get this bolt in about 1/4 inch. You can see there's not much thread right here. See, you can see there's not much thread going in there. The water pump, I marked it right here where it was really close. That's about how much I need to grind off of there. It's not much, a millimeter or so. It was right about here, and I probably had enough clearance. It probably would have been safe, but I figured out why that was so close, because the standard balancer is really thin. It's not even 1 inch wide. So this is a, I don't know what this is. I thought I saw there. Looks like C6, maybe C6. So it's a 66. You can see it's got plenty of room in the back for the longer bolts. This one's been sleeved already. That's what you do when that snout gets buggered up. You just slide that sleeve on there. But I don't want to trust this. This rubber's cracked, and this thing's 55 years old. I don't want to keep that. So anyway, since this balancer's thicker, the water pump, the part that was really close, was right about here. So if this balancer was as thick as the stock one, I probably would have been really close, But I'll just grind some of that off, and that should work fine.